Very good morning, everyone. This side Professor Heena Saxena from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology Excellence. Today we are going to discuss about the topic probability. So let me start this topic. Just tell me, what do you understand by probability? क्या समझते हैं आप probability से? Probability means possibility. Like anything, it can be happen in the future. We can consider as a probability, right? Occurrence of any event, we can consider as it is as a probability. Probability means possibility or occurrence of any event. It is a branch of mathematics that deal with the occurrence of random event. The value is expressed from 0 to 1. Probability has introduced in maths to predict how likely events are to be happen. This is the basic probability theory, which is also used in the probability distribution, where you will learn the possibility of outcome for a random experiment. Which means आप इससे क्या समझेंगे कि इसके पॉसिबल आउटकम्स कितने हो सकते हैं, राइट? तो हम प्रोबेबिलिटी से क्या निकालेंगे कि कोई भी इवेंट इफ ऑकर हो रहा है तो उसकी पॉसिबिलिटी आउटकम क्या होगी, ठीक? प्रोबेबिलिटी की जो रेंज होती है, प्रोबेबिलिटी कैन रेंज फ्रॉम 0 to 1, where 0 means the event to an impossible one and 1 indicates a certain event. To find out the probability of single event to occur, first we should know the total number of possible outcome. Now we will look for the formula for finding a probability of any event. The probability formula is defined as the possibility of an event to happen in equal to the ratio of number of favorable outcome and the total number of outcome. Whereas we can see here probability of event to happen, that is denoted by probability of any event equals to number of favorable outcome which is divided by total number of outcome. In shorts, we can see M is number of favorable outcome and N is total number of outcome. So now we will look with the example. There are 6 pillows in a bed. 3 are red, 2 are yellow and 1 is blue. What is the probability of picking a yellow pillow? See, in this question, we had in this question already given a 6 pillow. Total number of pillows are already given, and colors also given. 3 are in red, 2 are in yellow, and one is in blue. That means 6 pillow are divided into 3 different colors. Then what is the probability of picking a yellow pillow? That means what will be the probability of finding a yellow pillow? So apart, as we know already the formula of probability, that is a number of favorable event upon total number of event, right? The probability is equal to the number of yellow pillow in the bed divided by the total number of pillow. By using the formula, probability of finding yellow pillow equals to number of favorable cases upon number of events. That means how many cases we have? We have 2 yellow colors, right? So that is our number of favorable cases. And another is total number of events is how much? 6 is the total pillow. That means which is divided by 2 divided by 6, we get 1 by 3. Then 1 by 3 is the probability of picking a yellow pillow. Okay. Now we will next forward towards the topic addition rule. Addition rule is if A and B are 2 mutually exclusive events. What is mutually exclusive events? Exclusive events means are those events which cannot occur together. दो events एक साथ occur नहीं हो सकते हैं, उनको हम mutually exclusive events कहते हैं, which is denoted by like union, probability of A union B. Okay. Probability of A intersection B. This sign is denoted by intersection A intersection B, which is equals to 0 because though events are not occur together, that's why they are not intersecting each other, right? Then the probability that either one of the event will occur is P, probability of either A or probability of either B equals to probability of A plus probability of B. This is the formula of mutually exclusive events. This can be represented as by this formula A union B, or you can write P probability of A or B, probability A plus B, whatever you want, you are you can write with that. Then equals to probability of A plus probability of B. Now we will look forward with the Venn diagram. See, representation of mutually exclusive events, as we already know, Mutually exclusive events are those events which cannot happen together, which cannot occur together, right? So in this, we can see A is an event and B is an event. Though both are not occurring together, that means they both are independent. Okay. For example, while tossing a coin, the occurrence of head over tail or tail over head is expected to be 1. Either when we are tossing one coin, we get either head, right, or we can get a tail, not both together. ठीक है, दो इवेंट एक साथ नहीं ऑक्कर हो सकते, या फिर हमको हेड मिलेगा या फिर टेल मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स कौन सा रूल लगेगा हमारे पास? एडिशन रूल लगेगा, विच इज म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट्स. हमने क्वेश्चन से क्या समझा, कौन से इवेंट है? विच इज म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट्स, which means either head will come or tail will come. Both event cannot occur at a single toss, right? For by using a formula of probability, that is number of favorable cases upon total number of cases. That means number of cases कितने होंगे हमारे पास, अगर हमें head चाहिए होगा तो that is 1, right? और total faces कितने हैं? 2. coin के 2 faces होते हैं, तो that is equals to 1/2. Okay. Now we will move forward towards non-mutually exclusive events. What do you understand by non-mutually exclusive events? Non-mutually exclusive events are those events which can be occurred simultaneously. Like दो इवेंट एक साथ ऑक्कर्ड होने की संभावना, जिसको हम नॉन म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव, लाइक दैट मीन्स टू इवेंट्स कैन इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. Okay, just if now we will look forward. If A and B are two events in a probability experiment, then the probability that either one of the event will be occurred. What is the probability that one will be occurred? Like P or A, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Why we are minusing probability of A and B? Because if any event occur, it can be impact on